关上了，房间很安静。The light is off, the room is very quiet。耳机里面放着这首歌 ，Inside my headphones playing this song。外面的月亮今天真的很美 ，The moon outside is really beautiful today。累了一天，现在想睡了 ，Tired all day, now I want to sleep。放下手机，不想再说话 ，Put down the phone, don't wanna talk anymore。这个时候觉得非常舒服 ，At this time it feels very comfortable。今天你真的辛苦了 ，Today you really worked hard。不要想太多，好好放松吧 ，Don't think too much, just relax。晚安，我的朋友，做个好梦 ，Good night, my friend, have a good dream。写下几句话，写在日记里 ，Write down a few words, write in the diary。高兴的事情放在心里面 ，The happy things keep inside the heart。生气的事情，统统忘记吧。The angry things, forget them all。闭上眼睛，听心跳的声音。Close your eyes, listen to the heartbeat。黑黑的房间有一点温暖 ，The dark room is a little warm。黑夜很温柔，在对我说晚安。The night is very gentle, saying good night to me。今天你真的辛苦了 ，Today you really worked hard。不要想太多，好好放松吧 ，Don't think too much, just relax。晚安，我的朋友，做个好梦 ，Good night, my friend, have a good dream。听外面的世界睡着了 ，Listen, the world outside is sleeping。不要害怕，也不要担心 ，Do not be afraid and do not worry。明天一定会是很好的一天 ，Tomorrow will surely be a very good day。把烦恼留给昨天吧 ，Leave your worries till yesterday。